Well, sediment, especially in Alpine rivers, play an important and central role for the functionality of the rivers in all respects. If we think of flood risk management, when we have erosion of the riverbed, we get a problem with bank protection. When it is aggrading, we get a problem with flooding, for example. When you think of hydropower, when the reservoir is filled with sediment, we cannot produce electricity anymore. We get a lack of material downstream. When you think of the ecology and we have no gravel anymore for spawning of fish, we get an issue with the ecological status. But I think also for leisure times, for people, when they want to use the river, want to go for leisure time, for weekends, to do a barbecue, you need a gravel bar as well. So in all aspects, actually, gravel, river, also fine material is very important.